How to schedule a TikTok post. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can schedule a TikTok post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you will need to take is open up your TikTok. So open up your TikTok, head over to tiktok.com, and after you're here, you will see different options on the left hand side. Now first, you will need to create a post. So make sure that you have a post ready and then tap on the upload button on the left hand side. After you tap on the upload button, you will now need to select a video to upload. Now make sure that you already have a video. So head over to the folder where you have the video and then you can simply drag and drop it. After you drag and drop it, it will take some time to load. You can get the preview right here. After you get the preview, if you're satisfied, all you now need to do is add in a description. So I'll just add a description saying dice, and after you do that, on the bottom, scroll down and under settings you'll find when to post. Now from here you can also select right now or you can schedule it. Now for this video we'll just schedule it. Now after you do that, you can select the date when you want to post it and the time when you want to post it. So simply do that, and after you do that, after you're satisfied with the time, you can select who you want to show this to, and you can also do some other settings. After you schedule the post, all you now need to do is tap on the schedule button, and now it's ready to get posted. And that is how you can schedule a post on your TikTok, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.